Welcome back, folks, to another great video here from Crandall Office Furniture. In this video, we will address the dreaded squeaky chair issue. If you have a Leap chair that's a little squeaky, we got the solution for you. Stay tuned to find out how to fix it. Okay, for this job, all you really need is a long flathead screwdriver, and you're just going to need that to take off the seat. And I'm going to be using some WD-40 silicone quick drying spray, and we do have a link down in the description below. So the first step of the process is to remove the seat from your chair, and we'll do that with our flathead screwdriver. So I will make sure the seat is in this fully forward position, spin the chair around, get in position. I'm going to take my flathead screwdriver here, reach it back to the left side of the seat, and as you can see back there, you will see a little white tab, and we're just pressing that up with our screwdriver. And I think I got it. And we'll flip the chair back around, grab the seat depth lever, and pull the seat off. Okay, so now we have the seat removed and we're able to access the lubrication points. So with our WD-40 silicone quick dry spray, okay, so the main spots that I like to hit are going to be right here. So I'll take my silicone spray and just give a couple squirts in there. Very short burst. Other side. All right. I'll come back behind the chair. Recline a few times. Decrease the back force. And this will now allow me to hit the back of the glide. One squirt there. So a couple more pivot points that I like to hit with the silicone spray. It may be a cause of your squeaky chair, so I like to hit them with the seat off. Since we're here, might as well do it. And that's going to be our two spots here. So a little quick spray there. Other side right there. Quick spray. And also right inside here. Just a very small one. And just right inside here. Just a quick squirt in there. Alrighty, once I hit those points right there, I like to give the chair a quick recline back a few times. Run it through the back stops. And the upper back force. And by reclining the chair, that just gives the lubrication a chance to work itself in. So the final spot I like to hit with the silicone spray is just going to be right in here where your backstop knob connects. And just a squirt in there ensures that that is working smoothly. Alright, so once we're done lubricating all the joints, we can go ahead and reattach our seat. We're just going to make sure our glides are lined up correctly. We have an L for a left and R for a right. They can only go on one way. And just like that. We'll grab our seat. Alrighty, so we're lining up the grooves here with our glides we just put on. So we'll flip the seat over, line it up. Slide the seat on, grab the seat depth lever, and you're all set. So hopefully this was informative and this video was able to help you fix your squeaky chair issue. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. As always, like and subscribe. Have a great day, folks. Good afternoon, folks. My name is Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture. And this failed. All right. Mike Smith here, guys, with Crandall Office Furniture. Another great video here for you. That's awful. And in this video, we will show you how to properly lubricate. Oh, that's tough. Properly lubricate. Hey, guys, Mike here, back with you at Crandall Office Furniture. All right, you're getting some good bloopers.
I'm getting great
bloopers. All right.